1. Trees have a superpower called phytoremediation, absorbing pollutants and cleansing the environment. Last one will definitely shock you. 2. Bonsai trees are miniature masterpieces, requiring skillful cultivation for their intricate beauty. 3. The world's oldest tree, Methuselah, is over 4,800 years old, surviving through the ages. 4. The study of tree rings, dendrochronology, helps scientists understand historical climate patterns. 5. Trees inspire art and literature globally, symbolizing life, growth, and resilience. Subscribe for more daily facts. 6. Planting a tree is like gifting the future. They continue to benefit generations to come.